Hi, I am Fredrik Ahlgren, CEO of Sourceful Energy from Sweden. We are building the protocol layer for a decentralized energy grid, revolutionizing how we produce, distribute, and consume electricity. Today's power grid faces challenges with explosive growth in solar installations, EVs, and AI-powered data centers. Without proper coordination, the system will fail. We have created a full-stack solution: consumer mobile app, energy meter, gateway, and a high-performance developer platform, all working together to unlock the true potential of distributed energy. We are already live with decentralized resources in more than 20 countries through our beta group, connecting solar panels, batteries, and utility meters that were previously isolated resources. Our reward system directly incentivizes homeowners to participate, solving a critical challenge utilities face: reaching small household assets at scale. We are providing the consumer-friendly solution that enables rapid adoption using a proven model. Join us as we build the energy infrastructure of tomorrow: smart, distributed, and transparent.